Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can save a music on YouTube Music. So, let's get started. Firstly, open YouTube Music app in your device. Then find the music which you want to save. Next, tap on it. After that, you can see the option of save. Tap on it. Next, select the playlist in which you want to save the music. Next, tap on the playlist. So, this is how you can save music on YouTube Music. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.